Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Ayub Analytics Academy. In today's video, we are going to understand the difference between calculate columns and measure in Power BI. So first let's talk about calculate column. So what is calculate column and where it is used in Power BI? So basically, a calculate column is used to create a new data inside a table. It performs calculation row by row, meaning each row gets its own value. These columns are stored in the model, so they can be used in slicers, filters, or even to create a relationship between tables. Now coming to measure. Measures are used for aggregations. They don't store data physically, but calculate result dynamically based on your visuals. For example, if you want to calculate total sales, average profit, minimum or maximum values, you can use measure. So let's do it up in a practical way. So this is the data which you are seeing. So inside this data, we have dates, year, month, profit, and sales. So we'll be calculating the cost. So we'll add a new column that's called calculated column. So here we'll be replacing column name as a cost and equals to. After equals to, I'm just writing the column name, which is called as a data sales minus data profit, and enter. You will get here row by row calculations. So you'll be seeing the cost for each row level. Now coming to the measure. For measure, you can just write it from here. So as I said you earlier, calculated column will store the data, okay, inside this table. And let me just write the measure here itself. I'm just clicking on new measure. So I'm just writing here cost measure equals to. Now we'll be doing the calculation again with the help of SumX. And then we'll be adding a table name, which is known as data. Then expression sales minus profit. Closing the bracket, enter. So now let's see both the values in visualization. So I'm just clicking on report view. Now here I have mentioned calculate column. So I'm just selecting this card, which I have used from here. Once after adding this, I'm just selecting this cost. So you can see the values, which is 2,02,605. Now I'm just checking this cost measure. The same value I'm getting it. Both are same, but for the better performance, you can use measures. And measures are the right way and right choice also to use in Power BI. In case if you want me to show in a table, the row wise calculation. So let me just add a new sheet. Let me add a table. Let me just select here month wise cost. Let me add sales and profit also. And let me add column. So it is calculating row wise. Even when I add here cost measure, it will show row wise calculation. So without adding a column also, you can use measures and you'll get row wise calculation. And these are the key differences for interview purpose. You can just refer that. Whenever the interviewer asks you the questions, you can explain these things. If you like this video or if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and follow. Thank you.